Today we're going to be using Onshape to create a strainer. As you can see, we want the two planes visible, front and top. Select top and then do Shift S to create a sketch, and then create a circle with 100 millimeters in diameter, and then another circle inside that of 94 millimeters in diameter. Click front, so you have exposed the front plane, and then do Control S, and then create a circle and make that circle 12 millimeters, and then dimension that so that it's 20 millimeters above the origin. And then this is what you should have after creating the first two sketches. Now what we're going to do is extrude the perimeter of the circle to 200 millimeters. Once that's done, you want to zoom so that you can also see the circle that you created inside the cylinder. Just kind of rotate up a little bit and then zoom in, and then you're going to extrude that out so that it makes a hole in the perimeter of the circle. You want to do that by extruding it. You're going to actually remove so that it does actually cut a hole through all. As you can see, the hole is on the opposite side. Then what you want to do is hit the arrow, and that will rotate it so that it puts the hole on the side that you want. And click the green arrow, and then you have one hole in the cylinder. Now what we're going to do is replicate that by using a circular pattern. And we want to select a feature, and the axis that we want to rotate that about is going to be the circumference of the circle, 360 degrees. We want to do that 16 times. Then you got to make sure that you've selected the correct feature. As soon as we select that feature, you'll see that it's replicated 16 times around the diameter of the circle. Then click the green check mark. Now what we want to do is replicate that whole pattern up linearly. So select linear, and then select the feature. We want to select one feature, and we want to select the direction that we're going to propagate that on. If you select the wrong one, you see how it has a red circle up there? That's not correct. So if you zoom out, you can see that what you want to do is select the top plane and then replicate that along the top plane. You'll do that in 20 millimeter increments and 9 times, and you can see that that will replicate it right up the side of the cylinder. Now we can do that again for the rest of the features by doing the same thing. We'll select a linear pattern, then we'll have select the feature that we want to select or want to replicate. Select the direction again, that's top, and then we want to do that in 20 millimeter increments and 9 times. And now you can see that you have created your strainer.